running wild and free. Crossed our hearts, said we never let go.
Hi there, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, this is Shepa. Very welcome to my channel. And I mostly make makeup videos, a lot of makeup reviews, try-ons, full face makeup, and a lot of makeup tips and tricks in my channel. So if you are interested in makeup, make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family. And today I'll be doing this makeup look using Becca Ultimate Coverage Foundation. So I'll do a little review on this foundation as well when I'm creating this look. And I thought that especially in this time of the year, we have so many weddings and parties and festivals going around. So I thought let's create this fun makeup look that will be perfect for any Indian weddings or parties. So yeah, without talking too much, let's get started. So at first I moisturized my face, and then the next thing that I do is put primer on my face. The primer that I'm using here today is by Too Faced. It's the Too Faced Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, and I absolutely love this primer because it has a really nice cooling effect. And the way I apply my primer is I apply it into where I have my mostly large pores at first, and then I apply it all over my face. Next, I'm moving into foundation, and the foundation I'm using today is by Becca Cosmetics, and it's their ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation, and this is in shade drift oud. And I think this foundation is available at Ulta and also at Sephora, and this foundation retails for $44. And I think this would be a perfect shade for a lot of Indian skin tone. And today I'm going to apply this foundation using a beauty blender in one side of my face, and I will use a makeup brush on the other side of my face just to see the difference it makes. Here so far I really like the way the foundation is blending, and you can see I have a little mark in my nose, and it gives a really nice coverage I can see. And yeah, I think it's a very nicely buildable foundation. So at first when I'm applying it, it doesn't give enough coverage, and then you do a second layer, and that just gives the perfect layer for my kind of skin, because I have a lot of pigmentation in my face. Next, on the other side of my face, I'm going to use a makeup brush, and this brush is by Real Technique. This is called Real Technique Face Expert Brush. The number is RT200, and this is one of my most favorite makeup brush for foundation application. I'm kind of a very lazy person when it comes to cleaning my makeup brush and beauty sponges. I have this same brush, probably 5 or 6 of them, and I keep on using one after another, so I don't have to clean them, or like I don't have to wait the beauty blender. So I hope it makes sense. I'm just a lazy person. So even though the beauty blender makes a really perfect foundation application, I like to use brush a lot more. Here for this foundation, it's the same. The side I used the beauty blender looks a lot more better than the side I used the brush. And here right now I'm doing my eyebrows, and the way I do my eyebrows is pretty simple, and I do the same way all the time. I just draw a line in the very lower lines, very bottom lines, and then I just use this spoolie and brush it out. And next I take my concealer in a flat brush and just clean up my mess. And that's the way I've been doing it forever, so it's nothing new. And then I'm using this same concealer. This is the Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm using it into my eyelids as an eyeshadow primer, because I like to use concealer as an eyeshadow primer a lot. And I'm using this same concealer under my eyes, and the way I do put concealer under my eyes is I put a lot way, like a far way from your under eye, and then I'll just blend it over there so that it doesn't crease very much. The more product you put in your under eye, the more it will crease. And my eyes is just terrible, and it creases so bad, so I found that's the only way I can make it work. Next, I'm moving into bronzer. I'm using the Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I'm not gonna use any cream contour or anything, so I'm just going with this powder contour option today. A lot of people will tell you to suck your lip and just draw all the way towards your lip. Don't do that. lift your hair up, you will see the very bottom of your hairline, and from there you'll see a natural hole in your face, and then just put it in there just like you were watching me doing, and then just blend it out. And I like to do the same for my hairlines, my jaw lines. It's just the usual areas that I like to contour. And I also like to contour my nose, and the way I contour my nose is also very simple. I put that bronzer into both my fingers, both my index finger, and then just draw a line from your eyebrows. Just watching it, I hope makes sense. And then I just brush it out with the same brush, and this is the brush the bronzer comes with, so you don't have to buy that any brush for that. Next, I'm moving into blush, and the way I do my blush is I just put it on my cheeks, in the apple of your cheeks, and then you have to just blend it in between both cheeks, like in your nose a little bit. Here I just highlighted and then putting a little bit of setting spray. This is the MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus setting spray. I love this setting spray a lot. And then I'm just taking that same beauty blender and just dabbing it into some points like my under eyes and stuff. Here I will do a very quick and easy eye makeup look today. I'm using this Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette. I forgot the name of it. Let me quickly look at it. It's the Mercury retrograde eyeshadow palette. Here at first I'm taking the shade Karma, and this is a beautiful nice light brown shade, and I'm putting it into my crease, and mostly also focusing into the very outer side of my eyes. Next I'm taking the shade Hot Mess and Vortex. I'm taking them both shade at a time. It's like a combination of both shade, and I'm focusing into the very outer corner of my eyes, just to give a really nice smoky vibes into it. So yeah, I'm just kind of taking the shade Vortex a little more, and then the Hot Mess a little less, and a combination of it. It's going in my lower lash line as well, and also staying in the very outer side of my eyes. Next I'm taking the beautiful shade Cosmic, and I'm taking it in my finger and just putting it in the inner corner of my eyes. I mean, it's in my eyelids, but just the inner side. And I like to use my finger for that. And then later I will just take a really precise flat brush, and the where I couldn't reach with my finger, I'll just blend and make sure that it's reaching all those points. And I'll just blend everything together. I just put on quickly my eyelashes, and now I'm highlighting the inner corner of my eyes, and that's just about it. Let me know what you think about this look, okay? Next I'm moving into, that was a really quick eye look. Next I'm moving into for this beautiful red lipstick by M.A.C Cosmetics, and this is the M.A.C Powder Kiss liquid lipstick. I have a video of all the shades by M.A.C Powder Kiss liquid lipstick swatch on our skin tone, so if you want to see how it looks on medium skin tone, all the shades, you can check that video out. I'll add the link in the description box. It will also show up in the top of the video. So here I'm back after 7 hours. I had dinner, I had some snacks, so I ate all my lipsticks, so this is all gone, and my one eyelash is kind of coming off. But mostly today I was reviewing the foundation, and I'm pretty impressed with the way the foundation looks right now. As you can see, it looks pretty good, and I think usually I have like so much well in my T-zones, and I totally see that primer probably helped a lot as well, and also the setting spray. So I think that was a really good combination of that foundation, the setting spray, and the primer, that it is not super oily or anything over here right now. And yeah, I think I'm pretty impressed with the way the coverage of the foundation, especially like if you remember like how much pigmentation I had in my face, and also I had a red little thing over here, and that's also kind of pretty good covered, and it's still covered. So yeah, if you've been thinking about getting this foundation, you can go ahead and get it because I think it looks pretty good and it's pretty long lasting. So overall, I'm pretty impressed with the foundation. The coverage was perfect. It was very nicely blendable and the coverage is kind of buildable. So at the very beginning when you are applying it, it's not going to be full coverage, but then it's buildable, so you can apply second and third layer and it's going to be really will give you a really good coverage. And yeah, as you can see, I'm really impressed for after 7 hours wearing it. It looks really good. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and be a part of my YouTube family, and see you in another video. Bye bye.